Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, we're gonna do unboxing. So I have 3 items here to unbox from Kitchen Go. First one is the rechargeable electric spice grinder. So you can use pepper, salt, and much more. So let's unbox it. This is rechargeable. So stainless steel, large capacity, 5.7 ounces. 170 ml and antibacterial surface, adjustable coarseness, and rechargeable. Operated by gravity. Let's open it. So two. Okay, let's bring out. Wrap with bubble wrap. Okay, free gift inside. Okay, and this is the instruction how to use. Just read these instructions here. Let's take up this. Oh wow, I really love this. Oh my god, look at that. Nice. So okay, right here is the cord, USB cord for charging. Take this off. Yeah, and then okay, let's try to open another one before charging this one. Let's see. Oh my god, same thing guys, there's a charger right here, and then there is a button to press. So I will show you how to use it later. Unscrew. Oh. Oh, look at this, guys. Wait. Let's put some pepper in it. So this is the power button, guys. When you turn this on. Okay. So power off. Power on. And then it will grind on its own. So this is operated by gravity, guys. So it will grind on its own. Yeah, see that? So cleaning instruction. The container is dishwasher safe. Wipe the outside of the base with a clean cloth and soap. So charging time, 2 hours. Working time, 1.5 to 2 hours. Each grinder has its own charger. As you can see here, guys, there's this right here is the indicator. This is the fine one right here in this. So you need to turn this knob to here. Right. A really nice one, guys. So by the way, guys, this is a chopped onion, so I try to grind it. So this is it. Right here is the result. Yeah, so I gotta put the link on the description box so you can check it out, guys. And Amazon, this is a very nice kitchen gadget. You always need it in your kitchen and really easy to operate. Same with the black pepper or peppercorn, coriander seeds. You can grind it, some fennel, some mustard seeds. Yes, it's so easy. It's charging. So same thing with the black pepper grinder. So once you plug it, it will appear the red lights, and once it's fully charged, gonna appear the green light. It's indicating that's already fully charged. Gonna be 2 hours to be fully charged. It's been 2 hours charged, so it looks like it's already full charge. That's it. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to check thekitchengo.com.